everyone, welcome to my channel, Everyday I'm Mothering. So today we're doing our next activity in our 31 days of Halloween STEM experiments and activities for this month. And today we're going to be doing brain surgery using a leak-proof bag. So to do this, all you will need are some plastic baggies. Then we printed out just a sample of a brain, some clip art that the kids could trace, and then a jug of water, some food coloring. We used red so it would seem like blood, and then some very sharp colored pencils, at least 3 or 4 per bag, and make sure they're very sharp, and then some Sharpies to draw on. And this experiment is super easy and fun. The girls really enjoyed it, and make sure to stay to the end and they'll explain the science behind it.
Orange eyes. These look like glasses.
Let your kids hypothesize what they think is going to happen. Mine thought that it was going to shoot out and explode everywhere when we stabbed it. So how's it doing that?
I don't know. How is it not? Is it bending it? Why does it look like it's bending? Do not do this with a real brain unless you want to be sent to jail. What I mean is like if there's a brain sound and it's not connected. Anyway, yes. That's gross. That's probably not going to happen. It's going through. It's pointy. Now let's put it out and see what happens.
The girls had so much fun playing with these bags once the experiment was over. They stabbed them over and over again, squeezed them, tried to fill the holes, were so grossed out by it oozing out, and just absolutely had a field day playing with this for I don't even know how long after it was over.
I bled. Pulled with a bag so that they went. It's because the polymers, when the pencil went through, the polymers sailed around the hole. But when we took the pencil out, there's nothing the polymers could sail around to. So the water just had to come out.
Please give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and check out the rest of the activities in the 31 days of Halloween STEM series. Bye everyone!